Let's fucking go. Yo.
Your experience with creatine. Whatever you bought or used creatine, did it ever give a sour taste or what?
I mean, like straight, like monohydrate, like straight creatine with no other preservatives in it. It does have like a bitter taste to it. Cause like me, I just like scoop it and just put it in my mouth, pause, and then like just gulp down water. Like I don't mix it in the water or nothing. Like I just like
Put it in your mouth, listen to water.
kind of like gargle it. And then, like,
Yo, this guy, what is wrong with you? The reason why I'm asking you is that I mixed my protein that I got from GNC with this meal PCA. It's strawberry dragon fruit, and every time I take it, I don't know why, it has a sour taste. But when I only took PCAs, it has this fruity, natural taste. I'm just like, okay, cool, I like it. But mixed with creatine, it's just.
actually on this one,
What?
like a movie sandwiches.
Say nah.
Picnic.
One more. There you go.
So this would be my second PR for the week. On Tuesday, moved 235 for 2 sets of 4 or 1 set of 3. So this is 255. I'm about to go for, I'm gonna push it for 3. Push it for 3. So let's get it.
Music.
Up. Come on, one more. Up.
That you seen was a PR. The weight I talked about using before I actually started, I actually added another 10-pound plate to both sides. I was feeling good, tendons feeling good, everything, and it moved to 6. It's basically 30 something pounds before like my actual rep max. I can't even think of it, but my 1 rep max is probably higher than what I was actually, putting down for my program. Me and Francis were just talking about it. He's like, yeah, it's probably 315, 320, but I won't know until peak week. So let's keep on grinding, man.
For a fact, G, for a fact. Give us your tragic experience of here in the gym at Russel Fitness in 3
So yeah, I was deadlifting, right? So I had this bar right here, the exact bar. It was kind of sitting about right here. It was kind of sitting like right here. This couple decides to squat right here, which is no problem. Like, I'm not in your way, you're not in my way. While I'm, in between my sets, the girls and like the sissy squat thing is like right here, but it's not here today or whatever. So come here. So like I'm like chilling, right here in my area with my water and stuff. So the girl's just chilling here like this, like chilling.
That is disrespecting
Like
a
chilling
powerlifter right there.
Like really just chilling, bro. So
I think she was mesmerized by your gains that you were making that day. That's why.
bro,
Like gains were made that night, and I'm pretty sure she was trying to get them gains. I'm sorry, even delts.
it's like,
Even on leg day, his delts are like popping out through his red.
but like, but no. And then like right before I was on my set, I had chalk in my hand. So I was like, excuse me. And she turned around, she had chalk on the back of her. I ain't say nothing.
You evil.
So now we're about to go upstairs. We're done with squats. We're about to hit a 5 by 20 on hamstring curls.
Second I worked out with Lawrence, aka Fit Love Power. I'm not gonna hold you, like my whole entire leg, the inward, inner, outward, and my hammies are like on fire right now. They really are on fire. He got me more like, he made me want to think more about the whole entire squat and how I should critique it. I'm sorry, my mouth and my whole entire body is just like processing today's workout, but yo, he hit some crazy PRs. I'm not gonna lie, my PRs weren't as crazy as his, but yo, he's coming strong. He's coming strong. Just wait, guys, just wait. December, what, 2nd?
Yeah, December 2nd.
December 2nd is his first ever powerlifting meet at Stony Brook.
Yeah.
Watch out for him, he's coming like a hurricane. My dude has some strong ass squats. His deadlift is even better. Yo, his bench. I'm waiting for that bench, dog. But yo, seriously though, today's workout, on a scale from 1 to 10, 10 out of 10, homie, 10 out of 10. If you ever need like questions, tips, advice on how to critique your squat, I'm not gonna lie, people say my squat form is perfect, but yo, he himself had to critique my shit. But when he critiqued it, yo, I felt completely better and satisfied. If you ever have advice, DM him on Instagram, comment down section, comment. Can't even speak, goddammit! comment down in his channel, Fit Power, about anything. He's willing to help you. Seriously, he's willing to help you. But yo, it's your boy Francis. Peace.
So yeah, man, second time Francis working out with me. He did push me, you know, to get some PRs, which is actually good. It's great because I actually rebuilt my squat back in March or April. So I stripped all the weight down and focused on form. So the form you see today is the form that I've actually worked up to actually be able to do, being able to hit depth and things like that. But my man Francis, owed to him too, like he's strong as hell, man. Like my man just walked in, he's like, he did one set, 135, then 225, then 315, 320. I was like, damn bro, you doing that for like, you doing that for your 4x3? He's like, nah. But yeah, man.
I really was.
But other than that, man, it's a great workout. Great having someone, you know, else to work out with. Sometimes I get bored working out at this gym, you know, by myself all the time. So it's always good to have somebody with you. And you know, Francis is just another person to add to the team. Like I said, I admire his work ethic. I don't just work out with anybody. 245, then 265. Well, no, yeah, I think it was whatever.
It was 235, 255. Then he said, fuck it, 265.
Yeah.
He hit that shit for how many? 6?
Yeah, 6. And then dropped down for a 225 for a 2x5. So everything's feeling good, man. Everything's feeling good. I'm blessed to stay injury free. I just gotta put on, you know, about 3 to 4 more pounds, and it's a struggle. I'm not gonna lie, you know, as far as eating consistently throughout my days. But I've been trying to stay on track with that as much as I possibly can, because I have to go in at 66 kg, which turns into 145 in, you know, American metric, whatever, the system. But other than that, man, Francis, thank you again for coming through, working out. Bless you, man.
Thank you.
All right, man. Today I worked out at Freeport. Good motivation here. So all you gotta do is just maintain, keep focused, eat good, like my shirt. You know, eat clean, train dirty. I get it every day. This is what I do. A lot of cardio, a lot of heavy lifting. Just be positive, stay strong, stay focused. That's all I gotta say, man.